Buckingham Daddy.
Yes.
Can you please tell us who named your country Nigeria?
Who named our country Nigeria?
Obama?
Not only Obama. Boris Johnson. It was Lord Lugard and his mistress. They are the one who named our country Nigeria.
And what was your leaders looking at then?
What was our leaders looking at then? Actually, our forefathers thought it would work out well. That was why they kept quiet.
So your forefathers sold you into slavery?
What do you just say now? Our forefathers sold us into long life slavery.
Oh my days, what
is wrong with you, these children? Will you shut up your mouth?
Don't tell us to shut up our mouths.
What's wrong with you, these country children? You just like to be stubborn. Will you keep quiet? What's wrong with you? You hear this, your children?
Just look at yourself.
See them.
They only ask you simple questions. You are trying to shut them down.
They are saying our forefathers sold us into life slavery.
They just want an explanation from you.
Which kind of explanation? Don't you think it's rudeness?
That's the problem with you guys over there. When younger ones ask questions, it's because they want to know more. Not to shut them down.
That is rude. Because where elderly people are talking, the young one doesn't talk.
No wonder your president's name is called Coup.
Jesus!
You hear that now? You say no wonder my country president was called Coup. You see what you just called now? See, hear what she just said.
Just explain things to them.
Like what?
Why did that event took place? And what was the motive behind it? Explain it to them.
But I just told them that they thought it could work out well. Why did she now say that was why my president was called Coup?
You see? Until you people come together and put end to this unworkable union.
Unworkable union?
Yes. And take back your union and control your destiny by yourself.
And take back our union and control our regions by ourselves.
That is when you will not be able to rule by people like Coup.
Oh my God. You these children. So we've been ruled with Coup. You hear another one now.
Buckingham Daddy.
Yes.
You hate the truth.
No, it's not as if I hate the truth.
That's what I'm saying here. Buckingham Daddy. It's obvious the union is not working. You can be deceiving me, I could be deceiving you. But we can't deceive ourselves. The union is not working. It's high time the leaders of each region comes together and deliberate about the whole issue. Is this union really working or not? And Buckingham Daddy, you are here in England. When people ask you questions, you explain things to them. Don't get angry unnecessarily. It's not worth it.
I think this is the right time for us now to find a lasting solution to this. We have to take our region back and control our destiny by ourselves.
This is when you'll not be able to rule by people like Coup.
Jesus is Lord!
I think it's right time now for us to find solution to this one. We have to take our region and control our destiny by ourselves.